Hello po, Filipino. Okay?
Ayaw po,
Ano?
Pilipino.
Oh, it's starting now. Okay.
Done na. Number 8, Daddy. Daddy. Daddy, number 8.
Okay, number 8. What is this? Is that langgam, ranggam, danggam?
Yandram.
Okay, po.
Yandam.
I will not teach you again. Langgam, ranggam, danggam. Langgam.
Done.
Is that number 9? What is that? Is that damit, ramit, lamit?
Done. Damit.
Number 10. Is that dalandan, radandan, lalanlan? What is
Yan.
dalandan,
Dayadan.
lalanlan, raranran? What is LRD? You did not,
L
I don't know.
or
I don't know. Dalandan, radandan, radandan. Dalandan, radandan. Okay, next.
D.
I don't know. Next na. Basahin ang salunga at salangguhitan ang salitang naglalarawan sa pangungusap. Okay? Basahin sa salangguhitan meaning
I don't know that.
underline. Okay? What is referring to? Okay? Naglalarawan. Right? So, puti ang damit ko. So, anong kulay ng damit?
White.
White. Okay? Underline puti. Okay. Ang lawak ng bakuran ng bahay. Ang lawak ng bakuran ng bahay. Underline. Ang naglalarawan.
Where is it?
Alin, what's your answer? Ang lawak, number 13. Ang lawak ng bakuran ng bahay. Good. Ang hardin ay napakaganda. Anong naglalarawan sa hardin?
Danda.
Napakaganda. Okay, good. Masarap ang ulamin ang gulay. Masarap. Ang kamatis ay maliliit. Ang kamatis ay maliliit. May 5 akong sapatos. May 5 akong sapatos. Ako, ikaw yun. Ilan ang sapatos mo? Erase. May 5 akong sapatos. So, ilan ang sapatos mo? Naglalarawan. May 5. 5 akong sapatos. 5 means 5.
Okay.
What's the answer? How many shoes you have?
5.
Of course. So, what's the final answer? That's your answer already. Next. This one.
What is this?
Number 18.
What is this? This is not English. Or this is math.
Wait, that is Filipino. Number 18 first. Focus. Number 18. Ang kapatid ko ay masunurin. Underline. Maamo ang alaga kong kalapate. Ang puno ay malilimlim. Okay, number. Basahin at bilugan sa loob ng kahon ang mga salitang magkabaliktad ang kahulugan. Okay? Opposite, magkabaliktad. Okay? Matamis. Ano ang opposite ng matamis? Kabaliktad ng matamis. Is that masarap? Maalat. Okay, bilugan, circle. Masarap, maalat. Ano ang matamis? Opposite. Wait. Matamis. Matamis. Sweet. Is that masarap, yummy?
Yes.
Or, I said opposite.
Opposite? What is
Opposite means different. Not the same.
she
Na antonyms.
like this, ginger, wait.
Like this. Pangit, maganda. So, ang opposite ng pangit ay maganda. Okay?
Okay.
Opposite. So, matamis, masarap, o maalat. Ano yung opposite ng matamis? It's the same. Matamis at maalat. Shikaina.
Okay.
What's your answer? Final. Matamis o maalat?
Maalat.
Next. Mainit. What is the opposite? Opposite. Okay? Mainit. You know mainit? Mahangin o malamig?
Malamig.
Yeah, that's the opposite. Okay. Malambot. You know what is malambot? Soft. Okay? So, what is the opposite of malambot? Matigas or
Matigas.
Okay. Hey, number 23 na. What is the opposite? Okay? Magkabaliktad. What is magkabaliktad? Baliktad, okay? If that is black or white. Black, kabaliktad ng white is black. Not correct? Okay. Now, mahaba. Ano ang
I did the answer to
24? Mahaba is that maikli, mataas. What is the opposite? Yung kabaliktaran ng mahaba. Maikli, short, or mataas?
mataas.
Toos. Tall. Mahaba means high. Mahaba.
Mataas.
Mahaba is long. So, which one is opposite? Is that maikli o mataas? Maikli means small.
Ikli.
Not only ikli. Read this word. Ik.
Ikli.
Okay.
This one.
Next. Malapad.
What is malapad?
Malapad meanings wide. Okay, wide. Wide. Is that malawak or makitid? Malawak is huge, okay? The malikitid is only so slim. What is the opposite of malapad? Okay? Malaki. Is that mataas o maliit? What's the opposite? Maliit. Perfect. Mababa. Mababa. What is the opposite of mababa? Number 1 is mataas o malalim? Mababa. Is that?
Mataas.
Very good. Maluwag. Maluwag. Is that malawak o masikip?
What is what?
Maluwag is very spacious, too much space. So is that malawak? It's very huge, very wide. Or masikip? I cannot, it's like no space. What is maluwag? Opposite ang maluwag. Oh, yan ang kabaliktaran, okay? Maliwanag. What is kabaliktaran ng maliwanag? Anong kabaliktaran ng maliwanag? Bright. Okay? What is maliwanag? Is that maaliwalas o madilim?
What is this?
Maaliwalas na is so bright. Okay? Maliwanag is so many lights. Okay?
This one.
Madilim is so dark. So what's the opposite? What's kabaliktaran? Okay, mabilis. What is the opposite? Anong kabaliktaran? Kabaliktaran ng mabilis. Alam mo mabilis? Fast. Is that malakas o mabagal?
What is Marietta?
Strong. Strong is strong is malakas. Mabagal is very
So,
very slow. So, mabagal. So, ano ang kabaliktaran ng mabilis? Mabagal.
done.
Yet, still have one page.
But you said when finish Filipino, I will do pain.
Okay, wait. Say dance Filipino.
Done Filipino.